Hi explorers, so you've been hearing about the new 10 years Nigerian passport and you're wondering, can I upgrade my current 5-year passport to the 10-year one? The answer is yes, but there are steps, some conditions, and of course fees. So in today's video, I'll break it all down for you in a very simple and relatable way, okay? Whether you are in Nigeria or living abroad, this video will guide you through how to upgrade your Nigerian passport like a pro, okay? Let's start with this question. Why even bother upgrading to a 10-year passport? Here are some real reasons, okay, to do that. Less wahala for you. You don't have to renew every 5 years. That means fewer visits to immigration offices or embassies. Then another one is cost effective in the long run. Although the 10-year passport costs more upfront, you save over time. It is easier for international travel. Some countries prefer passports, with longer validity, especially when you are, applying for visas. It's also great for frequent travelers. If you are a Japa gang member, students, or business traveler, this is a game changer for you. Let's move on to who is eligible. Not everybody can get the 10-year passport too, and here is who qualifies. You must be at least 18 years old. Children and teenagers under 18 are only eligible for the 5-year passport. Your current passport must not be damaged or blacklisted. If your current passport has issue like data mismatch, criminal record, or is flagged, you may have to resolve it first, okay? Another thing is you must have an existing national identification number. Everybody knows that NIN is now compulsory for any passport application in Nigeria. You can also apply whether your 5-year passport is valid or expired, but I want you to note this, that you cannot top up the validity. It's a fresh new 10-year passport with a new booklet, okay? All right, so what do you need to carry along or scan if you are applying from abroad? So let's go there. The first thing is your current 5-year Nigerian passport. Another one is your NIN, National Identification Number slip. Then completed online passport application form, your passport photo, recent and must meet ICAO standards. Then proof of payment from the online portal. Another one is sworn affidavit if you have changed your name or have data discrepancies. Then the next one is letter of consent for dual citizenship. Sometimes it is requested abroad. Utility bill or any address verification, especially abroad. If you are applying from outside Nigeria in a diaspora, you may also need resident permit or visa page, appointment booking confirmation with the Nigerian embassy or mission. Now we'll talk about the step-by-step process. Here is how to actually upgrade to 10-year passport. The first step is for you to go to the online portal. The link will be on the screen. Visit the passportimmigration.gov.ng. Then the second step is for you to select the 10-year passport under passport type, okay? Then you choose the new enhanced e-passport, which has 64 pages, 10 years, okay? The next step is for you to fill the form online, enter all your details, make sure they match your NIN. Then the fourth step is for you to make online payments. Your online payment, you can pay via remitter or pay with a card. Print out your payment receipt and acknowledgement slip, okay? Then the fifth step is for you to book an appointment. Choose your nearest passport office if you are in Nigeria, or embassy or consulate if you are abroad. Book a date for biometric capturing. Then the sixth step is for you to show up with your documents on your appointment day. Arrive with all the documents we mentioned earlier, okay? You do your biometrics, photo, fingerprint, and signature, okay? Then the seventh step is for you to wait for the processing time. Processing time varies. In Nigeria, it takes up to 1 to 6 weeks depending on the state. Abroad, it takes 6 to 10 weeks on average. You'll receive a pickup SMS or email when it is ready. Okay, now let's talk money. How much is this thing sef? This the way we talk about how much is it? For 10 years, 64 pages passport within Nigeria is 70,000. It is subject to change though. Then for 10 years passport outside Nigeria, it varies based on country and currency. As of now, it is roughly $230 to $280 in the US, £210 to £250 in the UK, and €250 plus in part of Europe. Heads up, if you are converting from 5 years to 10 years, you are not just adding years to your old passports. You are paying fresh and getting a new passport booklet entirely. Also, your visa stamps and old records won't transfer. You'll keep the old passport for reference purpose, okay? So now let's keep it real. Some things you should know before you rush to upgrade, okay? You can't just upgrade anytime. If your current passport is still valid and not full, consider if you really need the 10-year now. Name or data changes, you must process those first before applying for a 10-year passport. These include marriage name changes. The next one is NIN is not negotiable. If your NIN has incorrect data, it will delay or cancel your application. Another thing you should note is no refunds. Once you pay and your biometrics are captured, there is no turning back or refund. So double check every details. Then diaspora wait time. If you are applying outside Nigeria, expect delays. Always book early and follow up with the embassy. From a 5-year to a 10-year Nigerian passport is honestly a smart move, especially if you travel often or live abroad. The key is to follow the process properly. Gather your documents and be patient. Let me know in the comments, okay? Are you thinking of upgrading, or are you already processing your 10-year passport? Kindly share your experience and question below, okay? Let's help each other out, okay? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this info. Until next time, safe travels and keep winning. Bye.